Do you have interior doors in your home that rattle, especially when an exterior door is opened and closed? This rattle is caused by a gap between the door and doorstop molding. To reduce this gap, we can adjust the space between the latch bolt and the strike plate opening. If your strike plate has a tab with a slot, it can easily be adjusted with a flat blade screwdriver by slightly prying the tab out. Only do small adjustments at a time and continue to check the door gap after each adjustment. If your strike plate doesn't have a slot, the tab can still be adjusted as seen. Some strike plate metals are harder than others. If you are finding it hard to bend the tab, it is recommended to remove the plate and adjust the tab with a pair of pliers. This will reduce the chance of pulling the screws out or cracking the door jamb. In the case your strike plate doesn't have a tab for adjustment, a replacement plate with tab can be purchased at your local hardware store. You also have the option of moving the doorstop molding closer to the door or moving the strike plate closer to the doorstop molding. As you can see, with that simple adjustment, the rattling door has been eliminated.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out my video. If you aren't familiar with my channel, I basically make how-to videos that are trades related on my spare time. If this video helped you out, subscribing, liking, or commenting on the video would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.